There.
Good evening, 4-3. Tonight we're going to start with Module 3, Lesson 29. I can represent numerically 4-digit dividend division with dividers 2, 3, 4, and 5. Decomposing a remainder up to 3 times. So we're going to look at this one tonight, 4,325 divided by 3. And we are going to do this by doing the long division and making sure that we're checking. So remember the steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and sometimes the remainder. But lots of times after we bring down, especially tonight, we're going to go back and divide. So 3 can go into 4 once. 1 times 3 is 3. Then we subtract our 1,000. 4,000 minus 3,000, we get 1,000. We bring down the 3. And we go back to division. Okay, we can put that division house if we want to. 3 goes into 13. How many times? It goes 4 times. 4 times 3 gives us 12. Tells us to subtract. We're left with 1. Going back, after we bring down, we go back to division. And that is a 2. 3 goes into 12. 4 times. 4... goes 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. We go to subtraction. We're left with a 0. The last number we're bringing down is a 5. How many times can 3 go into 5? It can go in once. 1 times 3 is 3 with a remainder of 2. 1,441, remainder 2. Now we have to do the inverse operation, and the inverse operation of division is multiplication. So we take our outside number, we take 1,441, and we multiply it with the other outside number, because we want to make sure that we're getting this number inside the division house. So we do 1,441 multiplied by 3. Hopefully remember how to multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Put the 2, carry the 1. 4 times 3 is 12, plus the 1 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Okay, now look, 4,323, but this one inside the house is 4,325. They have a 5 and we have a 3 because we need to add the remainder. So add the remainder. Oops. 4,325, and we've got a match. So we did this correct. All right, for our last problem tonight, we're going to do a word problem. Ellie bought two packs of beads. Altogether, she has 1,254 beads. If the number of beads in each bag is the same, how many beads are in 3 packs? All right, this sounds like a 2-step problem. Now, she bought 2 packs of beads to give us a total. There's our total. If the number of beads in each bag is the same, it means they're equal. But now we have to make sure we're only starting off with 2 packs, and they're going to ask us the question of 3 packs. So first we have to figure out how many beads are just in 1 pack before we can figure out how many are in 3. So let's set up our tape diagram, and we have 2 packs, and this all together, these 2 packs equals 1,254 beads. And here's 1 pack and here's 2 pack. And we have 2 packs, so we're going to divide by 2. Inside the division house is 1,254. And this is the way we're going to find out how much is just in 1 bag. So 2 cannot go into 1, but it can go into 12 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. We subtract, and we're left with 0. Bring down our 5. After we subtract, we always bring down. And after we bring down, we always have to go back to division. 5 divided by 2 can go in 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract. We're left with 1. We have one last number to bring down. And after we bring down, we always have to go back to division. 2 goes into 14 7 times. 7 times 2, 14 with no remainder. So there is 627 beads just in one bag. So there's, in this bag it's 627, and in this bag it equals 627. And when we add them both up, or we multiply them by twice, we get 1,254. But now the question says, how many beads are in 3 packs? We figured out that there was 627 in 1 pack, and in 2 packs there's 1,254. But now they want to up it up to 3 packs. So what we must do is we're going to have to do a second part to this problem. And the second part of this problem is that we're going to have to multiply. And we're going to take how much is in 1 pack, 627, because that's in 1 pack, and we're going to multiply by 3, because they want to know how many total are in 3 packs. So 627 times 3. We get 21, carry the 2. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18. 1,881 beads are in 3 packs. Okay, I know this lesson was a little short tonight, but it's just you guys have to practice this long division over and over again until you get the hang of it. It takes a lot of practice and memorizing those multiplication facts. All right, do your best and the gains will come. Okay, first one, 4,864 divided by 2. Make sure you check. 6,565 divided by 5. Be sure to check. 9,889 divided by 8. Make sure you check. 7,869 divided by 3. And again, make sure you check. Do the inverse operation. And 6,173 divided by 5. And be sure to check. And your last one is a word problem. A truck has 4 crates of apples. Each crate has an equal number of apples. Altogether, the truck is carrying 1,728 apples. How many apples are just in 3 crates? We start off with 4, and they want to know how many just in 3. So we know that we're going to be doing a 2-step problem here. You are awesome. Thank you so much for your amazing work. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening.